Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around the stylish 108 in the collection specification. So this car features keyless entry, there's 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, there's Bluetooth connectivity, you also get air conditioning, automatic headlights, and the car has a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.